Hi, it's Jason, Jason's Jungle. I'm just going to show you around the jungle plot. So this is the jungle plot. Now I'll go over the strawberries on my fruit tour. So the first one here is my overwintering onions, which are doing quite nice. And they're still going quite strong, so I'll have to see when I get to harvest them and see what they're like. Next is some mixed match potatoes. I sowed these in July last year, so we'll see how well they do. So I sowed them and I planted salads on them, and then they grew back this year. And I'm really chuffed with this salad bed. Loads of lettuce. So there's 4 or 5 different types of lettuce. There's some endives. I've got some chervil put in there, bit of spinach now growing in there, some kale, and down here you can see some blood vein sorrel. And just keep picking the leaves and they grow back and hide themselves. And then we've got squash. These are all bush squash. I just saw a batch that died off on us. So I resown some in May and they're coming back okay. Hopefully they'll give us small single portion pumpkins at the end of the year. I've got various types. I've got Amazonka, I've got Harlequin, Gold Nugget, Table King, Casperatu, and quite a few of them in this bed. Next bed up, you can see some purple magenta tree spinach growing here. There's a couple of volunteers around here, just let them grow. And then I've got some mashwa. See how it's going nicely up the strings. And across here we've got some lobelia, some parsnips, some pots of oca, and over here we've got skillet here. And some sweet cicely that I transplanted earlier this year here. Skillet's got a really sweet root, but sweet cicely has amazing aniseed flavour. So I'm trying to get a few plots there, and it's perennial, so you know it can grow for years, and then you can just replant off of it, take off cuts. So that's up here. Your sweet corn, this is golden bantam. That's doing quite well. I've got some peas down here which aren't doing fantastically, but we'll see how they come. And then here we've got courgettes. So I've got 5 courgette plants and 1 butterbush, which is here. So that was one of the first ones, and the rest of them died off, so I resown and they're coming along quite nicely. Then I've got some peas which I think have been nibbled by something. And finally, my empty bed. I've got stuff to go in here, so that won't be empty for much longer. And that's it. Okay, so if you like that, click like, click subscribe, share, comment, please comment. And I will see you on the next video.